Mental health continues to be a priority across the country, and local hospitals are responding to the overwhelming need.
Morning anchor Kirsten O'Connor talks to leaders at Orlando Health about the increasing numbers, especially among younger kids. She says how they're using four-legged friends to get results for your health.
Grades, how are they doing?
I'm not sure.
Not sure yet? Okay.
Dr. Beth Long is a pediatric psychologist at Nemours Children's Health in Orlando.
How have things been going at home with everybody?
As the chief of behavioral health at the hospital, the patients Dr. Long works with have complex medical needs in addition to mental health concerns. We sat down with her to talk about the push to tackle a national mental health crisis during the pandemic.
I would say about a year in, I saw the kids and families start to struggle more than I had initially.
Dr. Long shared data from April of 2021 to 2022 showing 2.5 times more kids ages 12 and older with positive suicide screenings coming into the hospital emergency department. She says even with the latest efforts to increase mental health resources, the need is overwhelming.
Even if we hired 20 more people, it feels like this bottomless pit that we just cannot fill, and that's the worst thing, saying no to people who need help.
Dr. Long says resources like Devereaux's mobile crisis services are available for residents in Orange, Osceola, or Seminole counties in immediate crisis.
A family can dial 211, and the objective is to come to the home and find ways to stabilize what's occurring in the moment versus, for example, having to Baker Act a child.
As specialists and providers continue navigating the mental health crisis, another helper in the hospital walks the halls on four legs.
There's one dog that's addicted to hand sanitizer, so it's hilarious when he comes in the rooms.
Daisy is followed by Livy, who is the new Pomeranian on the team.
Sheila Roberts is a volunteer with animal-assisted activities.
I have Halo and Doc.
We met Halo during the Nemours Day of Giving phone bank and saw him hard at work during Dr. Long's appointments.
Luna, the dog, is the best listener. Why is Luna the best listener?
He cares. If someone's crying, he's going to quietly go up to them. But if there's a party going on, he's going to be jumping up, especially those clappers from the telethon.
Dr. Long says visits from the dogs are the highlight of the day for both patients and providers.
And it does certainly break up the day. It's probably the thing they most look forward to.
And as she guides her patients through struggles.
Blue. Oh, no! It's okay. We will rebuild.
The dogs offer a sense of peace that helps everyone move forward. Getting results for your health. Kirsten O'Connor, News 6.
Could Halo have a sweeter face?
No, it's not even possible.
Gosh.
When Halo was here for the phone bank, we, the dog lovers, stalked Halo in Studio B. It just made everyone feel a lot better. Just even adults who maybe need a little
changes a
little
room.
of that. It
And
really
I've never
does.
seen a
The
dog
energy.
carry a basket like that either.
I would
which
take
is,
whatever Halo's offering in that
adorable.
basket.
Absolutely. In addition to getting results for your health, Kirsten O'Connor also helping you get into the rhythm of the morning every weekday from 4:30 to 7 a.m.